More and more machine and plant builders ask for protection of each current path in the machine or plant. Therefore, the requirements are clear. They need a reliable protection with diagnostics, and it shall be space-saving. Here, the WAGO single-channel electronic circuit breakers are a good choice, in combination, for instance, with the Eco2 power supply units or others. They have only 6 mm width, and they have a real added value thanks to their versatile functionality. They protect reliable against overload and short circuit, and they help to fulfill the requirements according to EN 60204, which each machine builder knows, the requirement of disconnection of dangerous earth faults in the control circuit. We offer these single-channel electronic circuit breakers with 0.5 amps up to 8 amps in versions with a fixed current, 0.5 amp, 1 amp, 2 amp, 4, 6 or 8 amp, and with a selectable current from 1 amp to 8 amp in 1 amp steps. The electronic circuit breakers can be used standalone or in combination. Up to 10 can be jumpered with jumper bars, and therefore we have these slots here. These electronic circuit breakers have also a digital output for diagnostics, so you can have a diagnostic on each channel or in combination, so it can be bridged as a collective message. On the other hand, we have a digital input which allows to reset triggered channel from remote, or to turn off or turn on at a certain channel, and use the electronic circuit breaker as an electronic relay. The electronic circuit breaker with the selectable current is also capable of a special feature, a current flow monitoring functionality. So all this we think is a real added value with these single-channel electronic circuit breakers.